Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center with another video. We got Johnny. Johnny is a contractor, so he's a roofing contractor. He's doing a lot of heavy labor. He came in for low back pain, sciatica right down the right leg. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the feet. We've done an exam. We saw his hip has rotated a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust that, and then the upper back is a little tight. I'm just going to adjust everything for him. Never been adjusted.
No.
Right?
No.
First time ever been adjusted,
First
so he's
time.
going to do a video. We're going to see how everything goes. We're probably going to do an x-ray, right? We're going to send him out for x-ray just to make sure there's nothing major there. But besides that, we're going to go ahead and do the video. All right, let's go face down for me, Johnny. And you've been watching us for a couple of videos now, right, Johnny?
Yes.
All right. So as you can see, the alignment is off here. And when you come up here, there's a rotation in the hips. So we're going to address that as well. So I'm going to do the mid-back first. Johnny, take a deep breath for me, buddy. All the way out. Oh, nice. Now you can breathe, Johnny.
Oh man.
You see, the videos aren't fake, man.
They're real.
This side up for me. Yeah, people, they've never been adjusted before. It's just like a break in there. Like, yeah, because it's all adhesion. It's all tight muscles there. So we got to break that up for you. Yeah, and I tell patients all the time, I was like, I only do these videos once. And if I mess up, I keep going. But it's important. It's important to see what patients are feeling.
I feel good.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right, let's bring this forward. Good. Straighten this for me. Beautiful.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
So again, this hip has come down. I gotta bring it back up.
Gotcha.
Deep breath for me. One more. There it is. Beautiful. Man, that's tight. The other side, Johnny. So there's so much adhesion in there, Johnny. We just gotta keep breaking it up. I'm gonna do this side as well. Yeah, right. This. So we gotta bring this side down. Deep breath. Relax as much as you can. Right there. Right there. You okay?
Yeah.
Let's go face on. Let me check the neck for you as well.
Alright.
Oh man, that's. Do you get headaches, Johnny? I know.
No.
Good. Okay. Ready?
Are you serious?
One more, buddy. Oh yeah, there he goes. There goes your ears are bright red. How was that? Was that okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. I'm about to knock out.
Go face down. I want to check a couple things. I want to check that lower back. Look at that, Johnny. Beautiful. Now I'm going to come here, and I'm going to check it here. Perfect. Look at that. Now, do me a favor. Remember how you raised your leg earlier?
Mm-hmm.
Do the same thing. Tell me that's not better.
Yeah, it is.
You weren't able to do that at all.
Oh, that's a big difference now.
Now, I'm curious. Go face up. I want to see your hamstring, too. I want to see if the hamstring gave up a little. Man, what a difference. He wasn't able to lift it hardly. Johnny, you kidding me?
Yeah, I couldn't do that earlier. That's crazy.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, so before the hamstring wasn't moving hardly, it was all tight, and then when he lifted his leg, he couldn't lift it. So now it totally broke up. There was so much adhesion there. You had this pain for almost 5 years.
Yeah.
He didn't know what to do with it, so he's just been going on, putting up with the pain. So we're going to suggest some stuff. We're going to give him some stretches as well, and then kind of work on the muscles. And then we already did the muscle stem before he got here, so it's kind of relaxing all the muscles. So if you're watching and you're sitting there and you're Johnny, like, I wonder if this is going to help. This is going to help. They just come on in and get a free consultation,
Yes.
and then we'll go from there. All right. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.